In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter and it is about syntax. Listeners and audience, I told you that syntax is the study of the organization of sentence. That's how a sentence is organized. It is the study of the structure of the sentence. That's how a sentence is structured. It is also the study of the formation of a sentence. That's how a sentence is formed. Listeners and audience, in previous topics we talk about praise. That's how a praise can be identified. I presented two methods. The first method that was related to moment test or replacement test. These two methods we presented. Today, the topic which we are discussing, that is a phrase can contain another phrase. Listeners and audience, generally we see one phrase in a sentence. But today I am sharing two more methods with the help of replacement and with the help of moment tests. They can help you that how you identify different phrases in a sentence. That's why I selected this topic, that a phrase can contain another phrase. A phrase can contain another phrase means that sometime one phrase has another phrase and it's inside. Even a phrase has more than two phrases. And the first phrase is considered as a lengthy phrase. How it is? Let me jot down it practically that you may understand. Let me write a lengthy sentence. Aslam seems to be very happy with his new shoes. Listeners and audience, you see, Aslam seems to be very happy with his new shoes. In this entire sentence, very happy with his new shoes is a phrase. It is a lengthy phrase. However, with the help of two tests, replacement test and moment test, we come to know and we can understand that there are other phrases as well inside this phrase. It will indicate, or these tests will indicate that there are two more phrases inside this phrase. How it is? For example, first of all, I'm writing moment test. Moment test. So with the help of moment test, this test tell me that there are two phrases in this phrase. For example, I am writing with his new shoes Aslam seems to be very happy. Listeners or audience, you see now, with the help of the moment test, there are almost two phrases. You see that there are two phrases, like with his new shoes, this is one phrase, and very happy, this is another phrase. Connected to this, there is another test which is called A replacement test. Replacement test. And I told you about the replacement. That replacement mean when we replace one word by another, or when we replace a complete phrase by just one word. And it be a phrase whenever the entire phrase can be replaced by a single word. So here I am replacing the entire phrase by a single word, and which tells me that there is another phrase as well. For example, Aslam seems to be happy with it. Listeners and audience, you see, instead of his new shoes, I'm writing it. This is a method. Instead of writing his new shoes, what I wrote? I wrote it. So it means that with his new shoes is another phrase. However, there is still confusion, maybe to you. In order to avoid and keep away this confusion, there is another method. There is a kind of a diagram. I think that it will help you a lot in order to understand that there are three phrases. So let me show this practically. Listeners and audience, see, this means that this is one phrase. Okay? This is one phrase. I think it's not that much clear. I use some ink. Okay, now okay, so this is one circle, you see, it means one phrase. Now it means this is another phrase. Very happy is one phrase, and then with his new shoes is another phrase, and then with is another phrase. So how many phrases are there? Three phrases. Very happy, one phrase. With is another phrase, and his new shoes is another phrase. So hope that this topic is clear to you. However, before going to complete this lecture, I told you that a phrase can contain another phrase. Visually, it was looking that there is just singular phrase. However, with the help of syntax and with the help of syntactic structure, we practically show to you that there are three phrases. At the end, I will request to my listeners and idols, you are requested to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.